Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So this is Zach here, and today this video I'd like to share with you some of the things that personally I do, especially during the week market. Now, before I start my sections on stock review and some of the stock selections for today, probably I'd like to bring attention to this screener over here. This is KLC sector screener, and the purpose that I was showing you here is that is to tell you that overall market sentiment is still very big. Okay, I think especially for members, do spend some time in this screener over here. Do come back maybe 2 or 3 times a week, okay, to see what is the group of stock that you should avoid, what is the overall market sentiment. Now, if you look into this list over here, I think mostly you can see is red, and only 2 is green, which is plantation and REITs. So I think REITs currently are still making a nice healthy pullback. But for plantation wise, if you notice, yes, they are actually in green pentagon, but they already dropped around 7%. Okay, so normally for me, green pentagon, normally we have pullback, which is pretty normal, but usually I like to see negative 1 to 2%. Okay, anything below 2% for me is a false breakout, or maybe failed breakout, or maybe there's a distribution in the background. Okay, so probably you want to avoid that first. Now, after looking into here, right, again, if you don't like what you see so far in the markets, probably can stay away like me. Okay, at the moment, just stay away from the market and probably just monitor some of the stocks that I have, especially on the stop loss. Okay, if I needed to stop, I make some small losses, then I wait for the next opportunity to re-enter again. Because if you look into the sectors over here, I don't think overall is super bullish, super bearish right now. Because if you look into like plantation, finance, construction, even like energy, transportation, even though yes, they are still in red pentagon, but they're actually trading above ST and LT, which means maybe currently they are having a pullback. So you want to wait for the pullbacks to complete it before look for a chance for re-entry opportunities. All right. Now, a few things that you can do right now is that this is personally I'm doing. I will go to screener, especially on the Pentagon screener and the line chain screener. So this is the time that I want to see which is the stocks that having a strong movement during this week market. Okay, because this show there is a smart money intention in the market. If not, they are holding well above support level. So by using Pentagon and line change, you're able to at least have a group of stocks that worth to monitor when the sectors recover or the pullback is completed. All right. So for example, right, in this list over here, we got BJFOOD from yesterday. This is from 12th of May. Now, if you put on PGTP, for those that who are following the Pentagon guided trading portfolio, we can actually sort according to here. You got only 3 stocks. Okay, so you might want to monitor these 3 stocks, and maybe you want to list down all their industry. Okay, but again, like it or not, today BJ4 I think already make a movement of 10%. Okay, after the green pentagon is completed with the pullbacks from here. All right, so a quick movement. Okay, despite today market is still overall is still like seems like sideway and weak. Okay, now the other thing is that like I say, 2 screener normally I use. The other one is definitely is 18LC. Okay, so 18LC, I think we have the almost same group of stock as well. We got BJ Land, okay, and Eco First. Okay, I think those that too low volume normally I don't really want to look into it. Binapuri, okay, and maybe Tambun if not mistaken, right? So let's look into Binapuri. Again, that doesn't mean that you have to enter the stocks right now. Okay, but what you can do is that you can put it on your watch list. You can put it alerts here. Okay, so when the pullback is coming, when the sector is completed, the patterns come with green pentagon, then this is the time that you want to probably look for the entry. Okay, so again, let's try out Tambun. Okay, Tambun seems like still holding well on the green pentagons. Okay, so from this green pentagon, okay, kind of similar like BJFOOD. So go up around like 7%. Okay, so this is what we call the pullback completed with green pentagon. Now, this is the things that you want to see. Okay, moving forward. Okay, so again, market is weak, but doesn't mean that all stock will drop, will distribute. Some stock will back to support. That's why I just pop my alert somewhere around here. Okay, let's say back to support. I do see some sound strength. Market stage is correct. Then probably I'll look for the chance for entry. Okay, so hopefully this video here are able to address what's a few things that you can do, especially like kind of weak market right now. So if you love what you see, appreciate if you can click the like buttons and subscribe to this channel.